How to use 401k funds to start a Gold IRA without penalties. If you're worried about inflation, market crashes, or the future of your retirement savings, converting your 401k into a Gold IRA might be a smart move. Gold has long been seen as a safe haven asset that holds its value over time. A Gold IRA lets you invest in physical gold, bars or coins, inside a tax-advantaged retirement account. This guide walks you through how to roll over your 401k funds into a Gold IRA. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Click the link below in the description to get it. 1. Understand what a Gold IRA is. A Gold IRA is a self-directed IRA that allows you to hold physical gold instead of just stocks or bonds. The IRS only permits certain types of gold, stored in approved vaults, called depositories, not at home. This type of IRA provides portfolio diversification and protection against inflation or currency devaluation. 2. Check eligibility for a rollover. Not all 401k accounts qualify. Usually, old 401ks from former employers are eligible. If you're still working, ask your plan administrator if in-service withdrawals are allowed. This lets you move some funds without leaving your job. 3. Choose a Gold IRA custodian. The IRS requires a qualified custodian to manage the Gold IRA. This company will open your new IRA, handle the rollover from your 401k, help buy and store the gold. Look for custodians with clear fees, good reviews, and IRS-approved storage partners. 4. Roll over the funds. There are 2 rollover types. Direct rollover, recommended. Money moves straight from your 401k to the new Gold IRA, no taxes, no penalties. Indirect rollover, you receive the funds and must redeposit them within 60 days. Missing the deadline could mean taxes and a 10% penalty. 5. Buy gold. Once the funds are in your new IRA, your custodian will help buy approved gold, such as gold bars or rounds with 99.5% purity. Coins like American Gold Eagles, which are allowed despite being 91.67% pure. Avoid collectibles or rare coins, those aren't allowed in a ROS. 6. Store it safely. Your gold must be stored in an IRS-approved depository, such as Brinks or Delaware Depository. You can't keep it at home. The gold is held in the name of your IRA, not you personally. Converting your 401k into a Gold IRA is a great way to protect your retirement savings from inflation and market downturns. But it's important to follow the rules carefully. Choose a trustworthy custodian, stick with IRS-approved metals, and consider keeping a balanced portfolio that includes other types of assets too. Done right, a Gold IRA adds strength and security to your retirement future. Free Gold IRA Guide. Learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Download your free Gold IRA Guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.